Welcome to this tutorial on when to use the Zelle mobile app. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send and receive money directly from your bank account. To get started, you need to have a bank account in the United States and a mobile device. First, let's talk about what Zelle is and how it works. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send money to friends, family, and people you trust. It works by linking your bank account to the Zelle app. And then you can send money to others who also have the app. So, when should you use Zelle? Use Zelle when you need to send money quickly and easily. For example, if you need to pay a friend back for dinner, or if you want to send money to a family member for their birthday. You can also use Zelle to pay for services, such as paying a babysitter or a dog walker. Another time to use Zelle is when you need to split a bill with friends. For instance, if you and your friends go out for dinner and you want to split the bill, you can use Zelle to send your share of the bill to the person who paid. Zelle is also a good option when you need to send money to someone who does not have a credit or debit card. Since Zelle links directly to your bank account, you do not need a card to send money. In terms of best practices, always make sure you are sending money to someone you trust. Zelle transactions are typically final, so make sure you are sending money to the right person. Also, be aware of any fees that may be associated with using Zelle. Although most banks do not charge fees for using the service. In conclusion, Zelle is a convenient and easy way to send and receive money. Use it when you need to send money quickly and easily, such as paying a friend back for dinner or splitting a bill. Always make sure you are sending money to someone you trust, and be aware of any fees that may be associated with using the service. By following these best practices, you can safely and securely use Zelle to send and receive money.